Hello, my name is Pamela Araya, and I'm excited to share with you my video. I'm not sure where to look. I guess I'm supposed to look over here so you can see I'm making eye contact. And so I had originally uploaded a little picture biography and intro on YouTube. So I guess I will be pressing play with the voiceover off so that I can tell you about the introduction. Okay, so if I click play, it should start playing. And there is all about Pamela Araya, and I was born in San Jose, Costa Rica, and there's that Central Valley you see there. And when I was 11 years old, I immigrated to Brooklyn, New York with my family, and I was lucky enough to see everything New York City has to offer. When I graduated high school, I studied illustration and drawing at the School of Visual Arts. It was a great place with great basics, and fortunately, I ran out of money 2 years into the program. So I didn't know what else to do, and the local racetrack offered free boarding with a position. So I started grooming horses, and I did that for about 7 years, and that's how I ended up here in the Finger Lakes. And so even though I tried to stay away from art, there was something that really just drew me back to it, and I started taking some courses at Finger Lakes Community College in graphic design, mostly because I had an idea for an ABC book that I wanted to write for my niece and nephew. And I completed the book and published and won an award in 2014. So I did a little book signings in the college and a couple other places. Then 2 years later, I had my son Esteban with my boyfriend Eddie Maver. And then a year and a half later, I had Karina. And we're still around the horses because, Eddie Maver trains. And so these two little kids right here who are making art in the picture are, I'll guess, it's going real fast. Oh, I can pause it. There you go. So they're my inspiration for everything. And currently I have a court right here because I work as an assessment control clerk for the real property tax office in Ontario County. And it's a great job and, good benefits and everything. But really, I want to be making art full time and teaching art full time and just being around art full time. It's really where I think I will be happiest. Um, and so my goal is to get this degree because I think it's a big stepping stone I need to achieve in order to start my teaching career and hopefully in the digital media and technology and fine arts as well. So I continue to make art and be involved in shows and local art shows. And I have a couple of ideas for books I'm working on right now. And so my main goal for this class and for this program is to work on games and applications for kids. And like learning apps and just ways to make reading and learning fun and colorful for kids. There's many out there, and I know that my kids have all the apps. I don't let them use the phone all the time, but when they have time to watch their apps and sometimes like very educational YouTube videos, they get tired of them, even though there's a gazillion of them. So I think there's space for new ones every day, and there will be space for new ones forever and ever, as long as we have the internet with us. And so that is my introduction, and hopefully everything worked out well with this recording and this new Screencast-O-Matic that I've never used before. It's really cool. And here's my little drawing for Dr. Einstein. It's part of my of Rice and Beans book. Writing a book on our cultural love for rice and beans and how it's like a unifying element in our culture. And so hopefully I will have a chance to work on those ideas and show you as I progress with them. And I look forward to seeing you and your videos. Bye bye.